Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Voking VK-Q5. This is a camera strap, of course, a shoulder strap, as you can see right there, as demonstrated by the model wearing it. They note it as comfortable, durable, and of course, flexible. Now, this was provided to me by the manufacturer. I'll include a link in the description to Amazon, which is where you can purchase it. A little under $40 US, and this is the kit you're about to see. So not only do we have a padded shoulder strap as well as a mounting point for the camera, but you also have a mounting point for the lens for extra stability, which I really like. So included, again, shoulder strap, woven belt, sliding gear, a fastening joint, a quick release plate, camera strap, telephoto lens strap, mirrorless camera fastening joint, optional. So it's really a lot more. I mean, I generally stick with Peak, and when I saw this, I thought it was pretty comprehensive, and that's why I agreed to review it, because it seemed to me as if, at least for the price point, you're getting a lot when it comes to functionality. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box, clear this packaging out. And traditionally, a strap like this would be much more expensive than the 40 or under $40 US, again, that Voking is asking for when it comes to, I could have shown it to you apparently with the Velcro there, that they're asking for this strap. So it should be competitive with, maybe not for those of you that are completely invested in Peak and their hand straps and everything, but boy, are you getting a lot of gear here for $40. So warranty card, some paperwork, I'm going to put that aside, and let's take a look at the strap itself. So first and foremost, the actual strap, I can tell you right now, and this is a chest strap, so that if you want that extra protection beyond, is there as well. You've got padded side to this, equally usable for both lefty and righty shooters. And then as we travel down to the mounting points, you can see, I mean, when I compare this to my other straps, nothing has this sort of system going on. And I know a lot of you out there are saying, I traditionally don't like to rely on, screwing in something to the tripod mount point, but this is about as secure a device as I've ever seen. You can see here you can lock and unlock the actual mount point, so you don't have to use this plate, I'm assuming. You've got another solid piece of metal here to do strap adjustments. And also, one thing that I thought was noteworthy is that this does allow you to go fairly quickly from strap to tripod, which is not something you necessarily get without buying into a system. Here you're just buying a camera strap. So it feels well built all around, that's for sure. Constructed well. I mean, this is heavy metal. I'm not sure if it is stainless or if it's just what it's made out of. But again, feels well made, and yeah, just interested to see how it performs. I may be taking this. I'm about to travel to New York, go back to my hometown, see some family as well as the U.S. Open. And who knows, I may be taking the Voking VK-Q5 with me. So then we've got an additional strap with what you would traditionally find on a lot of different straps for a mounting point, which I know a lot of you do not trust. And then, again, this is the optional, I believe. And then an Allen key in order to adjust everything. So again, I want to spend some time with this. There's your adjustment point, and really see how it works. But right now I can tell you that it is a very substantial piece of kit for the price that Voking is charging. Again, at under $40, I think you'll be hard-pressed to find something of this nature that accommodates not only, I would say, a pretty solid way of carrying your camera. I can't say comfortable yet because I haven't used it, but the padding feels pretty good. But again, this assembly for mounting the camera, then having the lens strap as well, so that this way you've got double the strap action going on. And then the direction of the camera, if you're worried about hiking, walking, where is your lens going to be pointed when it's at your side? I'm pretty sure this is going to ensure that it's not going to bang into things, which is another reason I'm excited to test this thing out, put it through its paces, and see whether or not it warrants the very affordable under $40 price point. But I'll report back to all of you and let you know what I think of this strap and how it fares compared to more expensive alternatives like Peak, which of course you get less with, but it's a completely different design, different system, I think a different methodology to what they're trying to pitch to consumers. But any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.